Ohayou gozaimasu.
Kasi mali pa lang yung bag na dala. Nice, oh. I don't know kung ano area. Ganda. Ganda ng pader. Natuwa sa pader. Sayang lang, oh. Yung mga puno lagas na dito. Ang cute nila.
Maybe I'm the one that's broken, writing stories I don't know yet, cause I've never been used to something.
Yung bok gong pala. So number 1 daw po eh. Pero wala silang fish cake. Huwag ng mga boy. Cheers.
Ohayou gozaimasu. Joke lang, wala pa tayo sa Japan. So, good morning. We're still here in Korea. Today is our last full day, November 18. And it's 10:49 a.m. Opo, nasa hotel lang ako. Today is a chill day. Unlike yesterday na full packed yung schedule. I'll see you later kapag nakalis na ako dito sa hotel. Diba? So, yeah. Ayo.
2:20 p.m. na po. Mag-flight. Snack lang ako. So, nakatawa KFC. So, kaya tayo.
Terrible things started happening when you walked away, so that's why I stay right here.
I don't know if you can see it, oh. Ang ganda ng mountain dun sa likod. So, I'm in City Hall area. So, and merong something dito. So, puntahan natin. I don't know kung anong tawag dyan. Yeah. Let's see. Oh gosh, ang lamig. Today is the coldest. Hindi ako sigurado para ito sa inyo city. Hindi ako sigurado, ah. Okay.
Cause when all of my dreams seem so out of reach, you're crystal clear. You don't disappear, baby. No. So why would I follow you when you're the only thing unhallowed to me? Why would I try to hide you?
At hindi ko po alam kung ano to. Pero malapit siya sa City Hall Station. Daehan Empire History Museum. So, ano ba yung name niya? Card on.
It's getting a little bit out of control. The way you look so good without trying it out. And this addiction isn't good for my health.
So may entrance. So yung ticket is 1,001. So let's see. Pasok tayo. Okay.
But I don't wanna spend another night by myself, cause I know that I would be dumb to let you go.
Okay. So may ticket machine dito and you can use your card. Okay, here's the ticket. So, Doksugong Palace. So, ano pala yung name niya? Sak George. So, eto. Naglalakad lang ako sa area kanina nung hotel. Malapit na sa hotel eh. And nakita ko. So, but, sa may entrance to na 1,001. Sayang, hindi ko dinala yung tripod. Kasi maliit na lang yung bag na dala ko. Kasi hapon naman. This is nice. Pero konti lang yung tao. So, and I think maliit lang siya. Oo nga, maliit lang. So, ito na yung, no? Ito pala. So, they have 9 areas. So, let's see. So, I'm in area 1. So, ganda. I wonder if nire-repaint nila yan. Nice, oh.
So why would I?
So, ito. I don't know kung ano area ito. Huh. Alright. Can we go inside? Do not enter.
Why would I follow you when you're the only thing unfollowing me? Why would I go without the truth?
Let's check.
When I feel so empty without you.
Let's go that way. So, ito ang Jongwanhon. So, di ko pa alam kung tama yung pronunciation ko. No? Oopsie. So, itong area naman ito, itong building is medyo, ano ba, hindi siya Joseon architecture. Joseon. Gets yun na yun. So, medyo ano to, western. I think lang mukha siyang western eh. So, Jongwanhon Pavilion. So, ito ang number 5. Oh, tama. Eastern and Western architecture.
It's getting a little bit out of control. The way you look so good without trying. And this addiction isn't good for my health, but I don't wanna spend another night by myself. 'Cause I know that I would be dumb to let you go. Why would
So, kung ano yung nasa kortina, hindi ko alam.
when you're the only thing unhallowed me? Why would I try to hide the truth?
Hindi ko alam.
When I feel so empty without you.
So, hindi ko na alam ko anong area to. Ang ganda. I think perfect time tong pa-sunset kasi ang ganda no. Ay, day, paano kaya makapunta doon?
So why would
Oh my God.
I unfollow you?
Parang pa-exit na ako.
When you're the only thing on Halloween. Why would I?
In fairness, malaki pala siya. Ah. So, number 8 na ako.
Why would I go and hide the truth?
So, this is the Don Doc John.
When I feel so empty without you. When I feel so empty without you.
Yes, yun siya. Ako na nga hours. 17:30. So, basta love. Time pa naman. Let's see. No flash. No. No flash or tripod. So, I know to check. Okay.
Another fair relationship, guess it's back to situationships. Till this whole dying soul feels half alive.
So, I'm in Area 6. So, John Hall area.
I've looked for opportunity.
So, ayun na siya. I think there's an exhibition right now. So, mamaya pasukin natin. So,
For me still late
this is the view.
and I hope it comes by 2025.
Kita nyo yun? Yung red, yellow, green, and orange naglalaban-laban. Ganda. May mga ginkgo pa din. Pero meron na din mga nalagasan. God, ang ganda. Maganda dito. Hindi ko nasahan.
There's a four-way stop on a one-way road. And that 210 view never felt like home.
And mura lang naman yung entrance fee. 1,001 lang. So, kung nandito naman kayo sa area, bisitahin nyo.
If this is truly meant for me, why the heck?
So, ayun na nga po. Oh God. Oras na ba? It's 4:53. I think malapit na din itong magsara.
Am I still
Oh.
out here waiting?
Ay, sabi ko nga pala isa search. Ang ganda ng pader. Natuwa sa pader. Goblin location. Okay, drama.
Just stuck in the in-between. I didn't think I'd ever get this lonely.
Oh, tama nga. Doksugong Palace Wall. Dito si nag-usap si Kim Shin at saka si Yuntak.
All these holes messages from the war inside.
Sayang lang yung mga puno lagas na dito. So nasa Doksugong Palace area pa din tayo. Pero ito yung other side. Sa kabila to. Balilikod pala. So, ang cute. Ang cute ang cute nila. Napipi. Lulu. So yung pala may church. Just not sure kung anong church to. Church nga ba siya? Pero sabi dito sa sign, Nobel Memorial Museum and Excursion Trail of Hanyang Dosong. Oh, ang galing. May mga something pa pala dito. And this side naman, Seoul Museum of Art. Pero I think maganda dito. Maganda siya ngayon pero I think mas maganda ito ng umaga. Oh, hanap ko yung bulaklak. Ito, ang laki. Ah, nice.
There's a four-way stop on a one-way road, and that 210 view never felt like home.
Hindi ko alam kung outdoor ba siya ng museum. Like, may mga installation. So, ito. Pasukin po natin. Ano ang papasukin natin?
If this is truly meant for me, why the hell am I still out here waiting? Don't know why
Ayun,
the
maganda
city
siya.
lights don't
Kaso
shine
lang,
on
hindi
me.
naman.
Break my
Ayun.
back and grind my
Ang
teeth.
baho talaga.
It's all I'm meant to be, just stuck in the in-between.
So, malamang may entrance to. Tanong bukas pa ba siya? So, ito ang Seoul Museum of Art. And, bukas pa ba siya? Uy, bukas. Ano ba ngayon? Tuesday? Tuesday. So, open pa. Hanggang 8 PM siya. So, nasan nga tayo? Gwakbong. Ano tong area na to? Nasa Sejong Village Food Street kami. Malapit lang to sa Gwakbong. Ano ba yun? Gwakbong? Gyeongbong. Gyeongbokgung Palace. Malapit lang to doon. So, it's an alley of food.
Akala ko, yung mga vegan nito, hindi pa lang nakalimutan ko. Kaya akala ko to, hindi pa kasi ako nakapunta dito, kaya,
Malamig po.
oo.
Yan o.
Nagpalayo tayo.
Yung pa may street, may alley doon eh.
Baka i-recommend. Okay. Akalain mo.
Ito ba?
Pork belly and aged pork belly. I think nakikita ko yan. Yung ano yun natin?
Okay. So number 1 daw po eh.
Yung English name niya. Perfect na number talaga dito talaga. Kasi mabilis. Pag malaki, maghihintay.
Soybean paste soup. Busin mo yan. Ayoko niyan, ayoko niyan. Ang galing mo. Yung kimchi fried rice, parang pancake na.
Nakalimutan niya.
Kimchi fried rice.
Medyo naman siya.
Sarap ng baboy. Masarap. Ang galam eh. Ang sarap ng baboy kahit hindi mo lagyan na kasi sobrang lasa. Sarap. Sarap ng baboy. Ay, ang anghang.
Sabi ko nga na.
Kimchi fried rice. Ang bango. Beer. Cheers. Uy, sarap. Cash. Cash beer. Kapag gusto mo siya, may cash ka sa kanya. Wallet.
Done with dinner, so dito kami kumain. Halos buka na lang siya ng shopping center na entrance. Shopping center? Shopping street? I know. Food Street. Sejang Food Street. Bilis mo naman.
Nandiri ako ng sweat. Ano na lang tayo?
Ayun, may cafe doon. Hoy, pero may donut doon sa ano ah.
I know. Dati na mamatay na siya.
So dito siya. Sejong Village Food Street. So yung pasok lang kayo, then yung first alley to your right, ayun na siya. Nandun lang siya. So ngayon, ayun nga lang, wala palang CR doon. At saka walang patubig.
So magdala ka ng sarap. Bring your own beverage. BYOB.
So saan tayo? Baka sa Daiso may CR.
Mahuhold ko pa naman.
Let it go. Let it go. Masaya. Umuusok.
Ganitong ano yung masarap mo. Sa malamig.
See? Baho.
Garlic.
So magaling kayo ng basta yung palace. Tawid lang kayo ng International Museum of Korean Contemporary History. Malamang libre lang din yan.
Ayun nga, nasa gitna, oh.
Hindi.
Ayan, oh, nakaupo yun, oh.
Ah, ayan.
So, siya daw po yung naka-imbento ng Korean alphabet. So, this is Sejong Center. May pa-protection sila dito. And there's a tunnel or underground pass na hindi ko alam kung saan na patungo.